Alright guys, it's time for a cold start video. Today's video is going to be on the lawnmowers and tractors and stuff like that. And then I might have another video on cars and stuff, but we'll start with tractors. So today it's not cold at all, it's actually really warm. It's 34 degrees or so. And the reason I have to do it on the 34 degree days is because a lot of my lawnmowers won't start when it's anything below freezing. So let's start them up. So I'm gonna fire up the S10 because I'm gonna use it to jumpstart stuff because I know all the batteries are gonna be dead. So let me go fire this guy up. Alright, so let's start with the Raven. I'm gonna have to push it out a little bit so that I can get the S10 over here to jumpstart it. Well, I'll first test to see if the battery's actually dead. Yeah, it's dead. The 48 volt battery had enough to move from there to about there, so it's good enough. Let's go bring the S10 over. Alright, so the S10's hooked up to the Raven. Let me go see if I can get you guys a good viewing point. Alright, here we go. Does it have gasoline in her? Yep, she does. Should go. Hang on, I shut her down because I forgot to check for oil, and this does leak a little bit of oil, so let me just check that. It's good. All right, there she goes. Alright, so the next one is this old Lawnboy zero turn back here. This is not going to be easy for you guys to see because I have to get the S10 close for the jump start. Let me check, see if this guy has battery or not. Nope, that's not enough. Alright, I'm going to use some ear protection for this one because it backfires quite a bit, so let's see if she goes. That, eh? Oh, I was about to be really impressed. stabilizer or anything like that. Unfortunately, the seat saver's not working, so if I sit on the seat, so I gotta disable that. All right, now I bypassed it. Dangerous, but I'll fix it when the summer comes around. Alright, now of course we got the old Jimna tractor. It ain't no big deal for the Jimna. There she goes. Now I was going to cold start the Beetle in this video, but I think I'm going to do that for its own individual video instead of involving it in this video. So I'll just go ahead and start this up for you one time. If it starts. Good old Toro. Let's try one more time. Yeah. Alright guys, so I think I'm really close to getting it to fire up. See what happens. Come on. Half throttle. Oh jeez, the seat's a little wet. Half throttle, choke.